So let's say you have a very bad structure of information. For example, I'm going to go around and paste this information about Gemini right here. Let me just go around and remove this, and I'm just going to go around and place this around over here, and maybe go around and place this out right here, and then just mess up the sentence structure right here so that you can see that regular spelling error cannot actually find out any mistake. So what I can simply do is over here I can say correct the sentence structure structure of this paragraph right here, just like this. It doesn't need to actually match out anything as well. So if I were to go around and send right here, then what happens is that it simply goes around and corrects it out, and it even found the source, as you can see right here. So it says Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is a generative AI artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google based on large language model of the same name, and so forth. And you can see that it corrected out the entire structure easily, just like this. So that is how you can utilize Google Gemini for sentence structure correction as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.